Welcome back to my final morning report chart on Friday the 16th of September with me, Rich Power Market Analyst at Hantech Markets. I'm going to look at gold now. And we've had this drift lower on gold that's basically brought us now back towards a key point in this chart, actually, I'd say. Just zooming out, you can see the importance of this uptrend. This uptrend has been intact since December 2015. We're basically bang on uptrend now. You're also around about where that old breakout level was as well. And not only that, the 89-day moving average, which has been supported for the last two corrections, is also there. So we're at a bit of a key turning point potentially. RSI is sort of back towards 40. These are all, and the MACD line is neutral. Stochastic starting to sort of bottom out a little bit, but to be honest, the near-term corrective move is still in place and sort of possibly going to test this medium-term trading range. And it's holding for now. You got the market up $2 on the day, nothing too significant. I think it just really is positioning, I think, ahead of the Fed. I'm not expecting a breakdown of 13 big figure, for example, ahead of the Fed. I think you'll probably get the support that comes in. Yes, you are negatively configured on a near-term sort of outlook, with the RSI failing at 60, going back towards and below 30 on the hourly. MACD lines below neutral, failing at neutral. This is sort of a negative configuration, classic, but I think that the near-term outlook could start to sort of find support around these old key levels between sort of 13 big figure, 1310 levels that have held for the last few months in the corrective moves. And I think it's likely that we could see that to start to come in again, but I'm not anticipating a breakdown. I think this the outlook will remain sort of solidly or firmly positive on the long term for gold, and I'm expecting it to hold up above 13 big figure. So for now, the near-term correction is still continuing, but as I said, I think the medium-term indicators would still suggest you're remaining in a sort of a buying into weakness strategy, which this is certainly has been. The support initially comes in at 1309.20, which interestingly enough was exactly where it found the support on the 2nd of September. So that's holding for now, but the resistance comes in at 1325 and then 1330. Yes, you've had a bit of a spike above that yesterday, but to be honest, 1325 is the basis of initial resistance, having been resistance and a bit of a pivot line previously. And then 1330, again, similar sort of argument there. Old pivot line, mild break above it, but to be honest, still intact. So 1325 to 1330 is still the major near-term resistance. So I wish you good luck in your trading on gold today, and I'll speak to you again on Monday.